this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a gift card or coupon code in the Ticketmaster application. So let's just get straight into the video. The best way to go ahead and do so is by simply going ahead and adding some kind of event to your purchase. So first things first, simply go ahead and add an event to your cart. So let me just go ahead and do so. As you can see, simply go ahead and add any kind of event onto your cart. And once you're in your cart and you want to go ahead and check out, simply tap on add credits / promo code / gift card in the payment section. Simply go ahead and enter your code or your card number / PIN and click on apply. Gift cards can be used for most events, but not for resale or certain specific or MLB tickets. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you